Good day. Today I will discuss November 2022 current affair MCQ first week. That is, the first question is, which country's president is mandated to bring out National Security Strategy (NSS)? Options are China, Russia, USA, France. The correct answer is USA. The United States has recently launched its National Security Strategy (NSS). Morbi Bridge on Machu River located in which state? Recently, the options are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh. The correct answer is Gujarat. Over 140 people, included 40 women and 34 children, were killed due to the collapse of a 135-year oldest bridge, Morbi Bridge. The famous tourist attraction is Julto Pol, Julto, Julto Pol. Question number 3. DRDO Industry Academia Center of Excellence DIACOE has been set up in which institution? DRDO Industry Academia Center set up in IIT Roorkee. What is the theme of Vigilance Awareness Week 2022? Options are Corruption Free India for a Developed Nation, Elimination of Corruption, Embodiment of Honesty, Ethics and Values. The correct answer is option number A, Corruption Free India for a Developed Nation. As per the RBI Act, the central bank has to send a report to the government in case of failure to maintain inflation target for how many quarters? Options are 2, 3, 4, 5. The correct answer is option number B, that is 3. Next question, question number 6. Which city is the host of India's India Came 2022 conference? Options are Bangalore, New Delhi, Hyderabad. Bangalore. Acha. It's a double answer. So the correct answer is New Delhi. Union Minister of Chemical and Fertilizer, Dr. Mansukh Mandavya inaugurate India Came 2022 at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. Next question. Ranjangaon, where the Greenfield Electronics Manufacturing Cluster EMC is to set up in which state? Ranjangaon is a place where EMC Electronic Manufacturing Cluster is to be set in which state? The correct answer is Maharashtra. Option number B. National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas is observed to commemorate the birth anniversary of which leader? The correct answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option number B is correct. National Unity Day. Next question. RBI has launched which type of a central bank digital currency? Central bank digital currency in its pilot phase. Retail, wholesale, commodity, cryptocurrency. The correct answer is wholesale. Okay, RBI has launched wholesale type of a central bank digital currency in its pilot phases. Question number 10. Which country launched the lab module named Mengtian for its space station? Very important question. Options are Russia, USA, China and Israel. So the correct answer is China. Option number C is correct. Question number 11. 7 states including Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh celebrate their Foundation Day on which day? November 1, November 3, November 5, November 7. That is November 1 is the correct answer. Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh celebrate their foundation day in November 1. Next question. Which state hosted the Mangraha? Which state hosted the Mangraha Dham की गौरव गाथा program? मनग्रह धाम की गौरव गाथा. That is options are Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra. The correct answer is Rajasthan. Option number A is correct. Next question. The Citizenship Act under which citizenship is to be granted to minority from 3 countries was enacted in which year? Citizenship Act. That is 1947, 1955, 1962, 1972. The correct answer is 1955. The Citizenship Act under which citizenship is to be granted to minorities from 3 countries were enacted to 1955. The Indian government has decided to grant Indian citizenship to Hindus, Sikhs, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi and Christian coming from 3 countries that are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Pakistan, okay, and currently living to district of Gujarat and Gujarat, 2 district of Gujarat. Question number 14. India signed the Economic Cooperation and Trade Agreement ECTA, Economic Cooperation and Trade Agreement with which country? The options are UAE, Australia, USA, UK. The correct answer is Australia. Next question. Operation Vigilant Storm is a defense exercise conducted between USA and which country? Options are India, France, South Korea, Pakistan. Operation Vigilant Storm, that is between USA and South Korea. Option number C is correct. Next question. When is the International Day to End Impunity for Crimes Against Journalists observed? Which day? November 1, November 2, November 5, November 7. The correct answer is November 2. Option number B. Next question. As per the Education Ministry Performance Grading Index, PGI, Performance Grading Index, how many states attained level 2 grading in 2020 to 2021? How many states? Level 2 grading, that is non 2, 4, 7. The correct answer is 7 states in level 2 grading. Question number 18. Which union ministry is associated with Nutrient Based Subsidy (NBS), Nutrient Based Subsidy Scheme? Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer, Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Urban and Housing Affair. The correct answer is Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs CCEA approved Nutrient Based Subsidy NBS rate for P and K fertilizer for 2022 in Rabi season. Next question. Which institution observed the Vigilance Awareness Week every year in India? Which institution observed Vigilance Awareness Week in every year? That is Reserve Bank of India, Central Vigilance Commission, Investor Education Protection Fund Authority, Security Exchange Board of India. The correct answer is, everyone knows, it's easy question, Central Vigilance Commission. Okay. Next question. Which institution tested the Phase 2 Ballistic Missile Defense BMD interceptor AD-1 missile. Interceptor AD-1 missile, which institution tested? ISRO, DRDO, BEL, HAL. BEL full form, that is Bharat Electronics Limited, and HAL full form Hindustan Aeronautic Limited. The correct answer is option number B, DRDO. Next question, who is the head of panel set up to strengthen the assessment and accreditation of higher educational institutions? Which is the head of a panel? That is K. Radhakrishnan, Kasturi Rangan, Amitabh Kant, V.K. Paul. The correct answer is K. Radhakrishnan. Option number A is correct. K. Radhakrishnan is the head of a panel set up to strengthen the assessment and accreditation of higher educational institution. Next question. Which word has been selected Word of the Year 2022 by Collins Dictionary? I have a video in my site. You can check the 10 selected word by Collins Dictionary. That is, the word is perma crisis. Option number B. You may check and check my video. That is perma crisis. Perma crisis, a term that describes an extended period of instability and insecurity. That is called perma crisis. Okay. Question number 23. Which country launched the Beidou satellite navigation system? Very important question. Beidou satellite navigation system. Options are Japan, China, Russia, Israel. The answer is Beidou, launched by China. Option number B is correct. Next question. Which country has launched the world's longest passenger train? Very important question. As of November 2022, that is Japan, China, Switzerland, Sweden. The correct answer is option number C, that is Switzerland. Switzerland is a European country, launched the world's longest passenger train. The train has 100 coaches and 4,550 seats, measuring the length of 1910 meter. That means around 2 kilometer. Longest train. Okay. Next question. Question number 25. Which is the most powerful rocket? Which is the most powerful rocket ever launched from the Earth as of November 2022? Most powerful rocket. That is Minimum Heavy, Minute Man Heavy, Falcon Heavy, Long March 5PV, PSLV 52. The correct answer is SpaceX launched. The chairman of SpaceX is Elon Musk. Recently by Twitter. SpaceX launched Falcon Heavy, that is a US military satellite in its orbit, which is most powerful rocket ever launched by Earth. That is 50th launch of 2022 by SpaceX Workhorse Falcon 9 rocket, which was launched 49 missions so far. Next, question number 26. Which municipal bond of India has been selected by the US Treasury for a case study on the successful listing? Very, very important question. Which municipal bond of India has been selected by US Treasury for a case study on successful listing? That is, options are Pune, Indore, Vadodara, Lucknow. The correct answer is Vadodara. Option number C is correct. Next question. Which institutions release the adoption gap report? Adoption gap report, AGR, that is WEF, World Economic Forum, UNEP, United Nations Environment Program, UNFCCC, United Nations Framework of Climate Change, Committee on Climate Change. The next is Niti Aayog. The correct answer is UNEP, United Nations Environment Program, headquartered in Nairobi, Kenya, launched adoption gap report. Question number 28. Which union ministry launched the Swachh Sarvekshan Gramin 2023? Very important. Swachh Sarvekshan Gramin 2023 toolkit. Ministry of Jal Shakti, Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. The correct answer is Ministry of Jal Shakti. Option number A is correct. That is Swachh Sarvekshan Gramin 2022 launched by Ministry of Jal Shakti. Next question. Which city is the host of World Travel Market? World Travel Market, that is WTM 2022. Options are London, Paris, New York, Lausanne. World Travel Market, WTM, that is by London. India's Union Ministry of Tourism is set to participate in World Travel Market, WTM 2022, which was held in London. London hosts the World Travel Market. Next question. Which country first suggested the observance of World Tsunami Awareness Day? World Tsunami Awareness Day. India, Japan, Philippines, Indonesia. The correct answer is Japan. Option number B. World Tsunami Awareness Day is observed every year in November 5 to raise awareness about natural disaster tsunami. World Tsunami Awareness Day was first suggested by Japan in December 2015. That is suggested by the UN General Assembly, UNGA, UNGA declared November 5 as a World Tsunami Awareness Day. Tsunami Awareness Day. The word tsunami comes from the Japan. Okay. So it's last question. Thank you.